Hello coders, welcome to my video. So in this video, we will be studying about how to parse the command line arguments like a Linux tool. Okay. So first of all, you ever seen some of the APIs like ls-lrt and ping-c6 and google.com, and we have tar hyphen xvf something. Okay, so what is this hyphen lrt hyphen c and hyphen xvf? So these are all the command line options that we are providing to these binaries that would alter or config this binary to give us a specific result. Okay, so here the ls is a binary, ping is a binary, tar is a binary. So all binaries need these options to configure depending on our requirement. Okay, so if we want to ping something, we can give hyphen c the ping so that it can ping this Google 6 times. So all these options help us to alter the functionality of the binary. For example, tar can be used to compress the folder as well as to uncompress it. By using these options, this command line action, we can do it. Okay, so I think you are clear with the command line option. So how these options are understand by this binary. So I told you in the last video how to pass an arguments from the command line to the binary. So if you haven't seen that video, just go and see. I'll paste the link in the description below. So for now, uh, we have this argc, argv, and environment variable as well. We can pass through the main, and here we have uh, listed the number of arguments that we are passing to this binary. Okay, and argv, we have the string vectors that will give the number of command line arguments and what are that command line arguments. And here we have one extra thing that is still there, and depending on requirement we can use it, but here just for demonstration we are using environment variables to print something. Okay, so if I run it as it is, and let's compile it, hyphen command line arguments we have. So here we get the binary. Okay, and in this binary, if I pass, for example, we have command line and I am passing hyphen f, and I'm passing file.txt something random data hyphen n and 10. So here we are giving hyphen f as a command line argument, and here we are giving hyphen n with a value. Okay, so here we have command line argument followed with a value, and if I run it, you will see we get the total number of argument is 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and this name of the binary, that is 5. So here we have argument 0 command line, argument 1 hyphen f, argument 2 file, and argument 3 is hyphen n. Okay, and argument 4 I have not printed. If I print it, it will give you 10 value. And here we have environment variables. So whatever the environment variables have been passed from the shell while running this command, it's given here. Okay, only 4 environment variables I'm printing. So this is simple, right? So for production grade Linux tool, we are using getopt API that is present in unistate.h to parse these command line arguments. Okay, so if we want to use getopt, what all are the options? So let's see it first here. And if I need to get all the values, what I need to do, I have to take a loop, and int I is equal to 0, I less than argc. These are the number of arguments, and we have I plus plus this loop as I need all the arguments that is being passed. Okay, and if we have string compare, okay, Then we have argv, and I'll take the index of that, and this should be hyphen f. Okay, this, if it is hyphen f and this is equal to 0, then what I need to do, so I need to print f while percentage s, next line, and here I have argv I plus 1. Okay, because this flag identify and I plus 1 is a next argument, and that is the input to this flag. So I plus 1, it will give me the file name. Similarly, I will take for YY, and I'll do the string compare for hyphen n as well. So hyphen n we have, and here I also do I plus 1. Okay, similarly, I'll do for all options. Okay, so if I compile it and okay, so we have string compare. For that, I have string dot h. Okay, now I have command line, and I'll run the same command. So if we run it again, we'll get the file as text, and this okay, I haven't changed the name, so the value I got for hyphen n is 10, and we are ending the program. So this way we are capturing the inputs. Uh, for example, after hyphen m, we are getting file dot text. Hyphen n, we're getting this. So, but this thing is still tedious. We don't have error handling here. If we add error handling, it will be complicated, and also there is no option validation as well. Okay, so difficult for large programs. So there are a lot of reasons why we are not going through this. So if the number of option become large, then it's very complicated thing. Okay, so to resolve this, we have an API that is getopt. So I'll remove this code, and we'll see what is getopt. So getopt is a library function used to parse the command line arguments. It automatically detects the option and extract the arguments out of it, and it will handle the invalid option as well. Simplified the CLA programs. Okay, that same as we did. Okay, so I'll tell you the API first. So the syntax of the API syntax is get opt. Then the first argument is int argc, comma char star argv. Then we have comma. Then we have const char star option string. Okay, so these are the three options that we have for getopt. So I'll just comment it out, as I already had a header for this, and we straightly jump to the program. Okay, so for example, I'll take the same program, and what I need to do, I need to use the getopt now. Okay, so first thing is we need to get all the parameters that has been passed. So while I'll take, and in this while loop, what I will do, I will take an option variable, and I'll get top to that. Okay, so the first argument is argc, comma argv, comma. Then we have to give options. So after that, we need to get the argument. Okay, for example, here we have hyphen f and hyphen n. So we need to get the value of that flags. Okay, so for that, we have f colon. So after hyphen f, it will take the value. For example, we have file dot text or something. Okay. Similarly, we have n colon. So this will take for n. So right now we have two option only, and this is not equal to -1. So this should not fail. Okay. So this I put it in while loop until this getopt got failed due to no argument left. Okay. So I will take printf here and I'll print the option first. Op is equal to percentage uh, C, and I'll take int option. Very simple as that. So and once I run this command, you will see you will get the option as F and N both. Okay, so till here it's fine. We are getting the options. And what to do for that option is we have to take a switch case in between. So we have switch and we'll put option there. Okay. And now I will run the cases inside. So for example, the first one is case, we have F case. Okay. Colon, then we have printf, then we have file, colon percentages. And now I need to get the argument after hyphen F. So there is a variable that is arg. Okay, so that is defined globally and we are just printing it here. So after that, I need a break. Similarly, I'll do for the next case, that is n case. So case n I have colon, and then what I'll do, I'll put it like number, and similarly I will print this. Okay, and then I'll take a default case as well. I've got default case, and that would we have the print here, printf invalid option, or I'll take uses colon dot this, and we have command line hyphen f file name hyphen n number. Okay, like this. Let's save it and let's see. So again, if I run this command, you will see here the option we get for F, and the file here is file.txt. Again, we have option as n, and n will end up in 10. And if I give a invalid option, you will also get this invalid option. Okay, and we are getting the user as well. So this way we can pass the arguments to getop, and we can easily, you know, uh, increment these cases depending on our requirement. So one more thing, uh, like here we have hyphen f and hyphen m here. If I need one flag only without arguments, okay, so I'll take for example v for verbose, and I'll match a case here, and here what I will do, I will take case and v for verbose, and here What I will do, I'll take a print and we don't have any argument here, so I will just print for polls is on, just like that. Again, if I compile it and if I run it again, sorry, so now I will add hyphen v here. So if you see here, your option is there and the verbose is on, you are getting the print. So if I put a another value, hello, after this way, still getting this value. Okay, so here the point here is we are not looking for the you know optarchs after this hyphen v because I defined it as a flag. So if I need this hello as well, so what I will do, I will take argument as well and comma opt arg. Okay, because I need that hello after hyphen v as well. So first time I will not put that hello and this verbose is that coming null. We don't have any value. So next I will take hello. So why it is coming like this? Because here we need to put column after that because it will take gold get off that I need the argument after hyphen b. Okay, so if I compile it again and run it, you'll get a hello for this. Okay, so this way we can have all the option from the command line, and this is how all the binaries like we discussed print and ping and tar and other command line utilities are being used. Okay, so this is all about getopt. There is one more variant of getopt, that is getopt underscore long. So that's all from this video. Let's see in the next session. Thanks.